Are you tired of buying milk? Well, all you need are these 4 ingredients that most of us have already at home to make your own. You'll need half a cup of almonds, 2 cups of ice water, 4 to 5 dates, a couple of sprinkles of nutmeg, and then throw it all in the blender and blend for 2 full cycles. Next, you're going to pour it through a strainer or a nut bag, even paper towels, and then use those leftovers in other recipes like oatmeal. Just like that, your almond milk is done in under 5 minutes. It's nutritious, it's delicious, it's low in calories, and hey, you made it on your own. So how's that for being more self-sufficient? You're even saving a little bit of money. Hey, don't forget to like and share our video and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.